Okay, Matthew, this is your project, and I'll try to play this first. Okay, so you have a nice controller that will change the camera perspective, and I do have two robots here, and so let's try to see what it is. Yes, your lighting is a little off, but that's because your lighting source is somewhere probably here. That's why. But you have two robots. So first thing first, I'm going to look at your robot, Vbot here, and you actually placed two of them. There's one, and there's another one. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of one. Okay, so undo move. I'll probably keep this one because you have this one. Okay, let's see. This one is this one, and then what is this one? Okay, I'm going to undo reflection change, and there's map, and this one here. This one actually there's a V-base controller, and there is a VBot lodge. So actually I'm not sure what they are, but like to me that looks like pretty much the same thing. So let's see. 0, 0, 0, and this one 0, 0, 0, and play. Now they're basically like superimposed in the same place. So I'm assuming that I'll get rid of this T-post one. So I'll turn this off. Yes, you still have this one right over here. So now I'm going to play. And so as you can see, now you have this guy here, and you can have this controller. So apparently, let's see what this guy does. So I'm going to turn this back on, this one off, and then play. So actually, what happened? Here, this guy. I did turn this one, but yeah, this guy doesn't do anything. So anyways, yeah, then it disabled everything. So I'm going to turn this back on, but this one I think you don't need it. So I'm going to delete this and play. So now I have this, and then I can still do this controller. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now let's try to. So we can still put this into the make an APK out of it, and then obviously your mobile phone wouldn't have the keyboard. I mean, you can still bring it keyboard, but probably it's not going to work that well. But then again, this one, I don't know whether you probably have something. Well, I mean, I don't know like this controller. So let's see what's going to happen when we export it to mobile phone. So I'm going to go to File, Build Settings, and then Android first. Okay, there's that, and I'm going to build, and bot test, something like that, and save. And I didn't check your player settings, but if it goes all the way, that means you already changed the name identification, so that's good. And okay, building scene 0. Okay, estimate is 1 hour 30 minutes. Actually, I don't know how many scenes you have, so it's hard for me to say. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually wait and see. Let's see. Actually, stop. Then, okay, you actually have one scene. So, this let's see. Actually, let me check your scene structure. The main. This is main scene. So I'm going to save it. And sample scene. Okay, sample scene is this. So yeah, it's basically same thing. So main scene here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll try to just build it again. Okay, so I'll actually wait, and now actually it's like 4 hours 30 minutes, and it will eventually kind of will go down. It's mainly because you have like this whole game world. Okay, actually, I want to see like how big it is. Okay, this is huge. So you have like this much game world, and that's why that's because of this map. Like, that's why it takes a really long time. If I take it out and if I build it now, so now because we don't have to build that particular map, it wouldn't take that much time. Okay. So I mean, it's still, there's a bunch of things I have to export, but process, but not like 2 hours or 3 hours. So I'm going to stop recording now and then try to see what's going. Well, actually, maybe I can just wait and see. Okay, almost done. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to export that file to my phone and test once it's done. Alright, so it's done. So I have this APK file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to OneDrive, do that OneDrive, and I'm going to put this one. This is 67.9 megabytes, and then if I had that map, it would be really big actually. So I'm going to put it here, and what I'm going to do, uploaded one item to file. So now I'm going to go to my phone, and okay, so I'm going to see what I can do. Okay, so I'm going to go to OneDrive, and I'm going to download that VOT test. Okay, I'm downloading it now. Okay, almost done. I will install it. And open. Okay, so here it kind of works. Okay, but obviously now there's two issues. One, so I can kind of do this controlling this, but this guy just keep falling actually because I got rid of that map and 3D spaces. But yeah, it's working. And so the issue was your texture was really big. So to render all these things, actually it requires like 4 hours or 2 hours or some hours of rendering. But now this poor robot just keep falling because I don't have that background or ground. All right, that's pretty much it. So I mean, your thing was working. Basically requires like 4 hours of rendering. Okay, that's it.